power of 4 to the power of 4 equal to 64 is 0. So find out the value of t. What is the value of t? So first we can write this to the power 4, we can write the t square of 2, and there you can make this formula a square b square minus 2ab, this plus 2ab. This is the a plus b whole square formula. So plus 2ab, sorry. So we can make there this the 2, this is the t square, and this is the 8 square, this is the 8 square, so this is the 8. So make this, and so this is the extra term, so minus 16 t square, extra term minus. So there we can write the t square 8, this is the square, and this we can write square, and so this is the a square minus b square formula. So we can write here, this is the t square 8 plus 4t, and this is the t square minus 4t, that's it. Sorry, this is the 0 here, this is the 0 here, this is the 0 here. So first we can write t square plus 4t is 8 is equal to 0, or we can write the t square minus 4t 8 is equal to 0. So now there's, this is 1, this is the b is 4, and c is 8. So this formula is, we can write the general formula of b plus minus of b square 4ac by 2a. So from here there is a b4, so minus b is 4, so plus minus root 4 b square is 16, and this 4 into a is 1 and c is 8, so 4 into 8 32, this is divide, and 2 is 1, and similarly there is a is 1, b is minus 4, and c is 8. So here we can write the similarly, this is minus 4, so this is minus, and this is the minus 4, so minus minus is plus, this is the minus, and this is the minus 4, the minus minus is plus, and this plus minus, and this is the minus 4 square, so minus 4 square is 16, minus minus is plus, and 4 is 16, and there is the 4, and this is the a is 1 and c is 8, so 4 into 8, this is the 32. So divide there 2, and this is the 1. So from here we get, this is the minus 4 plus minus, this is the minus 16, and divide 2, and we can write the minus 16 root, we can write this is the 16, and this is the minus 1, and 16 root is the 4, and this is the minus 1, this I. So this term is 4i, so we can write this is the minus 4, and this is the plus minus of 4i, and divide the 2. So cut here, this is the minus 2 and plus minus the 2y. So from here we take, from here get, and there similarly this is the minus plus 4 plus minus, this is the minus 16 by 2, and from here this is the minus 16 is this. So 4 and plus minus is minus 16 4i and divide the 2. So there is the value is divide 4 divide 2 is 2 and plus minus, and this is the 2i. So from here we get this, from here we get this. So this t value is this or this.